This is the Yangon Circle Train. It's the best way to experience Myanmar life. Each day, 100,000 commuters take this train. It makes a huge circle around Yangon, 29 miles of track for you to witness Myanmar life all around you. Sometimes it's a hard choice deciding what's more interesting, what's going on inside or outside the train. Whichever one you choose, you're going to miss something. It's a 3-hour journey to make the loop. But if you started your day hungry like I did, don't fret. The locals sell food and water on the train.
How much?
I don't know if my hand is dirty.
Tastes like an egg.
I'm so scared of that egg.
You don't have this in Indonesia?
I never feel it. No, it's broken.
There's no glass on these windows, so you aren't cut off, you're a part of it.
We just got off and we will go where we are. So hopefully there's food and